Julius Bijiwe, Chairman of Public Accounts Investment Committee, then the Assembly of Meru. Na aja tuna members of the committee, although other members of the assembly. Na of course the sign of the executive to CC Health, the Chief Officer Medical Services and the Chief Officer Public Health. Where we had a discussion. Mantunaye igie health ya tuna jo kimya hiki adina na kila kingi kwa lige mantu yaraje tutwegie na soje igie department hiyo kwa bukali kana twalije mantu ya facility improvement fund accounts na mantu ya sector ya health transfers na mantu mangi CHVs the community health workers na mantu ya ginya wards ila twawetana na kwa igembe na mina tukwarangia mana tobakwatana mantu ya tukwara area. Apart from a few, of course, ilamombi to komba whether to get certain reports. Na so whether to Nigerian kuja Meru ward what already it is already in the budget. We ensure that the coming financial year we are able to have Meru wards and the kwa Igembe as well Mutuati, Kangeta and Nyambene. As regards Mantuja Irio in the hospitals, the challenge here and the procurement processes. Na iba kwa already living with those hospitals is always important to get every other time together with those challenges moving forward so that we take our patients are also being catered on well. And maybe another thing is about the issue about the transfers, whereby Waziri has already indicated to us that even by a case by case basis key on the transfers and to ensure that at least that the human face completely transfers will still remain. But then on case by case basis kwamba kuhakikisha kwamba utio kulethera kwina mtu akiwa yes wako unsatisfied completely. So there is a matter with the department for any issue, then it shall be able to be addressed.
Kwendera tuena a very fruitful meeting na department ya health na ituchoke nkatho no tuko na ururugwa twena bona wananchi na obunya department ina bo tukwariria particularly services zirari mwe kuonekana ite sawasawa ke health facilities chetu na tukuona problem mwere kwenda kwa addressed board members baraba through dispensaries ba health centers na ba all other facilities baumbe kwa activated kendelea kukenda kutena kuena problem within a facility bakedra by number 1 ku raise red flag bakaomba kwa na authorities. Number 2 tukuwa indisciplined cases. Kwa mfano kukia kwenda staff member haina indisciplined case atibati kurito sibitari mwe haikuwa sibitari ingi nonto inerito anto amwe ya ikuwa anto angi but tuweti kaniri kwenda fairness egitarira kwenda transfers kana any other activity ukarika within the department
narwa itukure yao tweti ni committee nikienda tukariria mantu ya various issues sa department ya health nengo chokeria ona bukado members kado muno nonto itukuina very good discussion yanda friendly na very good discussion on various issues sia ku improve department ya health tukwaria na tukumbo chokia bya chura bya byo tukuretwe na tukwata na quite a number of issues na on to show they are all geared towards improving the health services in our Meru County.